Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play duos in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Smash option. From there, you'll choose Smash once more, and then specifically select Team Smash. This mode allows you to set up battles where players are divided into two teams, with each team accommodating up to 2 fighters for exciting cooperative play. Once you've entered Team Smash, you'll need to assign players to their respective teams. You can have up to 2 players on Team 1 and 2 on Team 2. Next, customize the game rules to your liking, such as setting a time limit or a specific number of stocks. Finally, pick your favorite stage and characters, ensuring a balanced and fun match for everyone involved. Effective duo play involves strong teamwork. Try to coordinate your attacks with your teammate to create powerful combos and overwhelm opponents. Always be mindful of your teammate's position, especially when they are recovering from being launched. A well-timed shield or attack can save them. Combining your characters' unique strengths can also cover weaknesses, making your team a formidable force. For advanced duo tactics, consistent communication is key to achieving seamless synergy during battles. Discussing strategies and callouts in real time can significantly improve your team's performance. Additionally, understanding character matchups will give you a strategic advantage, allowing you to exploit opponent weaknesses and maximize your own character's potential. And hey, for making meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.